Hey, what's up guys, Tactiholics here, and today Long D and I are breaking down a couple of our favorite features and accessories of the VERTX Gamut Plus backpack. Starting with the Tactigami features, we're going to go ahead and access that by using this oversized pull tab that gives you fast access to the rear compartment of the bag, which allows you to access any equipment attached to the inside of the backpack with the Tactigami system, starting with my firearm. Let's go ahead and break it down and see what else we have in there. Again, grabbing that concealed carry or that oversized access tab, we're going to go ahead and unzip the entire back of the Gamut Plus and fold it open so you can see what's going on. Now, the lining of the rear compartment of the VERTX Gamut Plus is all Velcro compatible, and that's exactly how the Tactigami system works. So you see here, I have a Tactigami handgun holster, administrative pouch in which I put a cat tourniquet, and a basically essentially like a MOLLE compatible adapting panel right here. So it's all Velcro compatible and allows you to take any accessories that you may have and attach them to the inside of the Gamut Plus in an efficient, accessible, and consistent point of reference. And really what this works extremely well for is looking at the rear of the bag. You have this pass-through compartment right here. So we're gonna go ahead, put this thing on, and show you how the Tactigami is supposed to function in a dynamic context. Now imagine that you had the bag over your shoulder, either one strap or two straps. You can reverse the side of this pull tab, whether you're right or left-handed, and depending on how you want to access that bag. Being a right-handed shooter, I would grab this pull tab as I bring my left hand out of the shoulder strap, pull the bag around, rip it open. I have access now to everything that I need. So the bag is still in front of me. I can draw my handgun, I can defend myself, I can reach inside here, I can grab additional magazines. Obviously, when time and the situation dictate, I could access my tourniquet or any other items that I have in here for life-saving or life-preserving equipment. Very consistent point of reference. The Tactigami stuff sticks incredibly well to the inside of the bag. It never rattles around no matter how much you beat the tar out of the outside of the bag. And when it comes to things like actually assembling the handgun holster, it's right and left hand compatible depending on how you want to set that up, and it has very clear instructions on how to do so. So that's one of my favorite things that VERTX offers, is their Tactigami system. Now, over to Long D for a look at the VERTX Gamut Plus Insert.
What's going on, guys? Long D here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Gamut Plus Insert. As you can see, you've got your main storage compartment and your secondary storage compartments with small tertiary storage compartments on the top and the side. All right, let's take a look at the top. Without getting too far into everything that I have in here, you can see the simple organizational ability of this bag. It's very easy to plug and play with different pieces of the system and make sure everything fits in a spot where it's needed. Things as big as a spotting scope to as small as boxes of ammo and a toolkit, sandbags, all that stuff. Also, you can see simple tools that are needed like kestrels. Other tools, such as multi-tools, are easily accessible in the tertiary pouches. One of the biggest advantages of the Gamut Plus Insert is its ability to outfit your mission at any time.
Well, there you have it, guys. The Gamut Plus Insert and the Tactigami system from VERTX. Outstanding equipment with a lot of thought and innovation that goes into this stuff. If you're any type of law enforcement or military or shooting, you do a lot of training, you live an active lifestyle, travel a lot, VERTX has outstanding clothes and bags and accessories to accommodate to that active lifestyle. So get over to their website and check it out and use promo code Tactiholics25 to save 25% off of your entire VERTX order. Go on, get over to their website, look at this equipment, look at what else they have. We'll see you guys in the next video, and we never quit.
Know what I'm talking about?
If you don't know nothing, just know Pyrex about projects. I fought dollars, I caught, I've been in these streets. Of course, I'm a boss. Let me get it real quickly. You want to